Let's proceed, children, further with the next category of sum. What is this one trying to say? Solve for A and B. That means we need to find the value of A and B. If matrix A, one matrix is given to us, multiplied by the other matrix which has elements A and B, is equals to 14, 9. Now when we know how to multiply two matrices, right, and then by the equality of matrices we just have to compare the elements, corresponding elements. That's it. So we start our solution as first 2, 1, 3, 2 multiplied by matrix having elements AB, which is equals to 14, 9. So how we have multiplied, or how we have seen multiplication taking place? It's in this order, right? So how shall we proceed further, as my children are aware by this time? So it is 2 into A, 2 into A, which is 2A, I'm writing it directly, plus 3 into B, 3 into B. Likewise, 1 into A, 1A, and 2 into B, 2B. So plus 2B is equals to 14 and 9. Now those who have this doubt, that what kind of matrix will be, or what will be the order of the resultant matrix, as we have learnt earlier also. What is this matrix, children? This matrix is 2 by 2. What is this matrix? 2 rows and 1 column. So it's 2 by 1. Compatibility test is done. First matrix number of rows equals to number of columns equals to second matrix ka number of rows. So what should be the resultant matrix? The resultant matrix should be 2 by 1, and yes, we are having 2 by 1 as a resultant matrix. We are having 2 by 1. Those who are considering this as the first column and the second column, you are wrong, children. This is the first row, this one is the first row, this one is the second row, so 2 rows, and this entire is 1 column. Mind you, it is 2A plus 3B, and this is A plus 2B, so it's one single entity, one single column, right? What next we are supposed to write down? By equality of matrices, comparing the corresponding elements, comparing the corresponding elements, what do I get? We do get 2A plus 3B is equals to 14. Let's say this as equation number 1. And the other what we get is A plus 2B is equals to 9. This is our equation number 2. Now, is it a matrix sum? No, it is no longer a matrix sum. Then it has converted into a simultaneous linear equation. So now we are just supposed to solve it by simultaneous linear equation. Should I multiply equation 2 by 2? Right? Should I multiply equation 2 by 2? You could have taken B also and multiplied it. So I shall say multiply equation 2 by 2. What do we get? This is A. So it is 2A plus 4B is equals to 18. Let's this by my equation number 3. Now 1 and 3 is what we have. Subtracting equation 1 from 3, what do we get? When I say subtract equation 1 from 3, we shall get 2A plus 4B is equals to 18, and then 2A plus 3B is equals to 14. We just subtract equation 1 from 3. On subtracting, this gets cancels off. I am left with 4A minus 3B. 4A minus 3B, simply B. 18 minus 14, 4. So the value of B turns out to be 4. Substitute B equals to 4 in equation, whichever equation you want, either 1 or 2, right? I shall take 2 in equation 2. We get what? A plus 2B is equals to 9. A plus 2 into, the value of B is 4, which is equals to 9. A plus 8 is 9. A is 1. So they just asked us for solve for A and B. We were supposed to find out A and B. The value for A, what we got is as 1, and that of B is 4. Therefore, A equals to 1 and B equals to 4. This is what our final answer is. This is what our final answer is. So we just did nothing other than multiplication. We have learned now how to multiply two matrices. We multiplied the two matrices. Only care needs to be taken at early stage, if at all you all are new to this particular chapter. If you all are new to multiplication of matrices, what is the order, resultant order, what you get it. But once you practice around 10, 15 sums of multiplication, you are very much through. You are very much through. And then, since it was given to us as equal to by equality of matrices, comparing the corresponding elements, we got a simultaneous linear equation. On solving them simultaneously, we got the values of A and B. Very simple.